Hello guys, good morning all of you. For today's session, we are going to see another new topic in Power BI. In previous video, we have already discussed about table and matrix, what the difference between table and matrix, right? And we also see difference between slicer and new slicer, I mean button slicer. After that, we discuss about the new slicer, how they connect with this together. Then we discuss about the card, types of card, difference between the card, new card, and multi-row card. That one we cover in the previous session, right? So today's session we are going to discuss another new topic, right? So I've already opened the Power BI page here. Now we are going to see here how to use a different chart here, like we discussed last time, different chart like a stack bar chart, right? Like a stacked column chart. So in the PPT, let me show you here. You can see like pie chart, right? Donut chart. So what is the difference between and how you going to be the stack chart, right? Line clustered vs stack. So cluster chart a group category side by side. This is going to be side by side and easy to compare the categorical categories. A stack chart place value on the top of each other and show the contribution to total. Right. So let's see how we go for this. So very simple. Suppose I take here a stacked column chart, click on it. First put the heading. Here I just mentioned like basic chart. So always keep remember guys, in chart there are two x-axis and y-axis. X-axis everybody know horizontal, y-axis always vertical, right? So how we go for this? Now let's see. Like I told you previous video how to make heading, go to effect, format and text. You can change the color combination and all, right? Now I take it column chart, stack column chart here. Okay. And here you can simply size it. After that, we need a data here, data set. So same data we're going to upload here. Like I will take a phrase data, all file. Let's take text CSV. Hmm. Open it. Load. Like I told you previous also, load and transform. What is the difference? Load, like once you want to load data in Power BI, you have to use load. Transform, like once you want data on the Power Query for clean. So we simply click on the load. Just wait for a moment. Now my data is loaded here. Now I will check in the data panel. See you, expand it. All right. So here I take it like customer name, and here I take it customer ID. So now I can see this is stack column chart. Okay. This one is a focus mode. Click on this, just going to become bigger, and right click and simple. Here in I can see show as a table. See here it is showing horizontal customer name and order ID. So whatever column we place on the chart on the x-axis, y-axis, it will show in the table form as well. Like suppose you have a huge amount of data on the chart and you're not able to understand which column is there. So very simple, you have to simple check from here as well. See order ID, okay, and customer name. Even you want a table form proper, so simple right click on that. So as a table. So you are able to see, you can see there a small icon, switch to vertical layout. Click on this. You can switch vertical to horizontal, and again horizontal to vertical. This is where you can simple switch it. Okay. So it's a more visible. Again, you go back. Simple. Okay. Now I want here like a pie chart. On the pie chart, I take some values here. I want product name or customer segment or any specific one. Take a discount. Okay. So here you can see product name, customer segment, and discount. So customer segment like corporate, home offices, consumers, small businesses. So once you over the cursor, pie chart always show the data pieces of data. So you can see customer segment, home offices, and some of the discount. Right. This one you can also click focus mode and you can show in the table form. Right click, show as a table. Again you can switch same like previously done, vertical to horizontal. So each of the this is a call legend here basically number of columns, say corporate offices, how many items is there. So each of the colors showing particular data, like say orange color showing home offices, blue color showing corporate, right? This color showing small businesses, blue color showing here like a customer segment. So each of the colors showing particular data here. Okay, guys. So this is way you can use the chart. Even any specific, like I show you pie chart, you can use donut chart, any specific one. Suppose you want a line chart. So line chart always show the interval of time, right? So line chart you can take it like profit figure I took it and product name I took it here. So as per the product name, is just showing the profit figure. Same way, I just want to show the whatever the plotted point. You can see each of the plotted points show the measurement value. Area chart just plot the point, but it's showing the highlighted value. Say this area chart. Click on this. On the area chart, I will take some value like customer name. I took it here and profit figure. So you can see. But in line chart, you can see guys, here it's not going to be highlight the interval of time, but in area chart, it will going to highlight the interval of time, as you can see. So this is a major difference between your line chart and area chart. Okay. Area chart always just going to be highlight, but line chart never highlight. It will only going to plot the points. Okay. So this is where you're going to see the different tool, how you're going to differentiate between. Okay. Next feature, how we are going to enable the map feature in Power BI. So again, I take a heading. Like normally, your map feature you're looking for. So how to enable? What is the step to enable it? So how will step it out? So let's see here. How to enable in Power BI. Sometime what happened? You don't know how to enable the map, right? So it will create problem for you. So how are you going to enable? Let me step it out. Okay. It's very simple. You can see a map, like simple. I click on the map here, right? Obviously, in map we need a like a region, provision, country, city. I take it region here. See, it's not enabled. That's why it's showing like this. Now, how are you going to enable for this? So simple, go to the file tab and option and setting. Again, you go to the option and just wait for a moment, guys. It's loading. You can see here options. Click on the security, and from here, simple select, scroll, see map and field map visuals. So this checkbox is unchecked. You have to simply click on the check map and field map visuals. That's it. Click OK. Make sure you connect with the internet because map always enable online, not offline. So make sure. Okay. Again, I can say the refresh button. You can refresh. Sometime what happened? First time not coming. So no need to worry about it. You can simply close the Power BI and open it again. It will come. Sometimes take time to load online. Okay. So this is a step you have to follow to enable your map. Even sometimes you have to uncheck the data, again check it. Okay, it will come back. So this is the option how to enable the map features in a Power BI. So in this session, I cover up how to use the chart, how can you convert in the table form, right? And how you're going to use the enable map features, right? After enable map feature, you can go into access and do the formatting of the map also, like you're doing the formatting for the rest of the tool. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.